like me better when I'm with you.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is your pretty Alexa vlog. Actually today, this evening, I think 7 o'clock, I went outside in Greenbelt. I visited the Mark Spencer. Pumunta ako dun sa Mark Spencer. And then, duman ako sa H&M. Tumitingin-tingin lang ako kung ano yung mabibili ko doon. So, guys, may nabili ako doon sa H&M. H&M. Oh my God, I love this one. Look at this. Look at this. It's look nice. I will this one. I will try on later. So, susuotin ko siya kung paano ko siya imo-model. So, this is that. Very sexy. Yeah. So, ito yung binili ko kanina dun sa H&M. I like the color of black actually. So, later on, I will try this one. So, the other video. So, this is what I bought in H&M. And also, I bought this one, 90s. It's a new 90s. May mga price pa. And H&M as well. I like black. Look. I wear also this one. So, this one. This one. So it's not too bad. Ang saya ni Pretty Alexa. Dahil nabili ko all black. So I'm gonna try on also this one. So for the next video. And also I bought this one in Mark Spencer. Dumaan din ako sa Greenbelt. May resibo pa, and I bought Tuller's stocking, this one, and natural and black natural and natural tan. This one is natural tan and black. So ito, I bought for 2. So, isusuotin ko din siya. So, what else? And this one. I love this one. I bought also this one. So, ito try on ko siya. Susuotin ko siya. Hopefully, you like it, this. It's like, ano siya? Ano ba ito? Is small, pero stretchable siya. So, ito yung mga pinamili ko. And then, bumili din ako. I have this one. This one, buy one, get 2. If you want to buy, you have another free. This one is from Mark Spencer. This one is Mark Spencer. Ito yung binili ko. Diba, isa try-on ko din siya. Kasi oh my God, I try to find like new 90s. I like red one or else white one, but I'm so sorry, wala silang stock. You know, in Philippines, it's too hard to find like sexy lingerie or 90s. Mahirapan ako. So, wala. So, I need to go to the Mega Mall. So, baka doon, meron doon. Tsaka to, isa. So, ito yung black. So, look at this. It's nice. It's this a black. Diba? And I love the black one. And also this one. Remember na ito yung inano ko sa H&M. So, it's silky. So, wait ha. Diba? So, ito kasi yung binili ko dati na hindi ko siya natawag nito, na try or ko ng video. Ito yung binili ko the last time in H&M. So, tsaka yung pula pala, hindi ko pa na-try on. Wait lang guys ha. Actually, this one, nasuot ko na to. Pero hindi ko talaga siya nagawa ng video. Hindi ko siya nagawa ng video na para ma-try on. Kasi nasuot ko na to sa aking, sa aking video the last time. Ang hirap. Sobrang hirap mamili o bumili ng gamit ng mga sexy nighties here in Manila. Kasi, I don't know kung saan ako makakahanap sa sizes, sa boobs ko. And also, it's like, yung color, wala, unlike doon sa ibang bansa, na plenty of choices. So, if I given a chance to travel, so I will buy what I want and everything. Try! If I have cash or budget. So, take note. Dito, nahirapan talaga ako. Nahirapan akong maghanap. Isang layo kaya, traffic pa, pupunta pa ako dun sa Mega Mall. Sa I'm trying to visit in Divisoria, but it's too hard for me as well. So, guys, thank you so much guys. Sana ipakita ko sa inyo all of what I bought today and green belt. So, I will try for my next vlog. I will try na lahat sa susuotin ko sila. Imo-model ko sila, ha? I'm sorry. Thank you so much, guys. Hopefully, please don't forget to subscribe. Pretty Alexa Love. All my supporters, thank you so much. Oh, by the way, Ate and Marcus Spencer, thank you so much for the two beautiful girl and Marcus Spencer. It's to assist me all this stuff. Thank you so much, girl. Thank you. And also, you subscribe my channel. Thank you, mga palalabs. I love it. That's Grand Belt Mark Spencer, ha? Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye. Mwah, mwah. Chup, chup. This is your Pretty Alexa. Sign out. See you soon. Thank you.